Hello, I hope this video will help you in understanding how to use the SAC library to research psychological peer-reviewed articles that can be used for my class, and hopefully maybe even this will help you with searching the library for some of your other classes. So I'm currently on the SAC homepage. I'm not in ACES, I'm not in Canvas. I am at alamo.edu /SAC/ and right on the homepage here. Now there's always going to be several different ways you can approach this. I'm going to show you my trusted and true way of getting to the library. So I go into the search bar, type in library, and hit the magnifying glass. And about the third link down, I mean, these are part of our library too, and we'll get you there also. But this is one of the best links to go to. And scroll down here and then click over here on find articles. So I'm just at the home page of the library now, still on the SAC website, and then click, scroll down a little bit and click find articles. When you click find articles, all of the databases that San Antonio College Library subscribes to are in here. So you can, just here under the A's, see how these might be helpful for some of your other classes. But specifically for psychology, click on P and go down and focus on the psychology button here. And that will pull up this one file for psychology. And this is then where it may be, because now we are getting into where you need to be a student to access this. You saw that it went straight there on my computer because I've logged in many times before, but it may prompt you to put in your ACES username and password at this point. It's been so long since I've done it on a computer that didn't have my information already logged in. So here, this is where you would type whatever topic you were interested in. So I'm just going to do teratogens, which are agents that can cross the placental barrier and potentially harm the fetus during pregnancy. So just a topic that, might be of help there. And you can see I want to go to academic journals here. So click on academic journals, and I have 356 to choose from. So then you can go through and just look at some of them, see if one step, pops out at you, is of interest to you. I'm just going to click on here's one of psychotropics. And then you can see I have the article right here. And if I scroll down, sometimes it will have you download a PDF to get the full article. This one came right up, and then you can print it, you can download it, you can email it to yourself, you can look at other related articles. And then another thing I want to show you why I'm here is if I scroll down to the bottom, I have this source citation. So of course, for my class, I require APA 7th edition, and you click on that and it puts this article right above, the article right above here, into APA format. So that's a nice little thing too. So I hope this will help you. Let me know if you have any other questions.